Look at what he did.
Fanny!
Like 6 in the morning. Today who decided to sleep in? Guess who decided to sleep in today? This guy. I was gonna get up early in the morning and read okay, it's not your fault, it's not your fault, it's not ow, it's not your fault, it's not your fault, ow, okay, stop, ow, Fanny, stop, stop, Fanny, stop, look at what he did.
Fanny!